Snowflakes are falling. The sky's getting gloomy. Winter is coming and I'm getting moody. The cold makes me feel like I'm 80 years old. My mood always tells me which days will be cold. Ice-covered walkways and slipping and sliding. If you're not careful, you'll end on your hiney. Winter is dangerous in so many ways. My clothes fit much tighter and tighter each day. Full-body dandruff and dry frizzy hair. Why do I live here? It's not really fair. I've heard that in Florida it's 80 degrees. Instead I am here in a really hard freeze. When the snow comes, we all go run out for milk and bread. The tasties like eggnog and lack of the sun, it really gets to our heads.
Snow day. You need to hunt
Always be prepared.
6 feet.
Newsmen are wonky, they don't really know what day or what time that it's going to snow. Mike Morgan, he thinks we'll have 3 inches deep, but Channel 5 predicts that we'll have 6 feet. Winter mixed blizzard or a polar plunge. None of this sounds like very much fun.
My snow like it's foreign to us. I tune them out because they make such a fuss.
News crews are sent out to track all the snow. Up north and down south they stand in the cold. Out on the freeway with cars zooming by, they tell us make haste if you want to survive. Snowmageddon, Arctic temps and ice apocalypse. They frighten, they scare us, they even beware us, and turns out that it's just fun. I'm breaking a sweat.
Really? Fog. Milk and bread for fog.
Merry Christmas!
Happy New Year!
Happy Snowpocalypse.
If it comes.
Do you want to stick with that one?